Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your Garmin Edge 540 crashed mid-ride and didn't save the activity. To recover your ride in such case, what we have to do first is connect our Garmin to the computer using the USB cable. So connect the USB-C part into your Garmin and the other side of the cable to your computer. After that, we're gonna have to open the software on our computer. If you don't have it, you can download it from the official Garmin website. The software is called Garmin Express, and you can simply Google for Garmin Express. You'll instantly find the official Garmin website and click download for Windows right here. And once this installation file is downloaded, you're gonna have to run it, install it on your computer, and it will automatically appear on your desktop where you're gonna have to open it from. Once you open the Garmin Express application, you're gonna have to add your Edge 540 here by clicking add a device and selecting your Edge 540. Then you're also gonna have to sign into your Garmin account. Now that's it for now, so let's continue by checking our File Explorer. Open File Explorer, go to this PC location. Right now, now that we have our Edge connected to Garmin Express, we should be also able to find Edge here in the File Explorer. Open the internal storage of your Edge, then go to Garmin. Now all the recorded activities should be stored in the activities section, but if the activity was dropped because of your device's mid-ride crash or something, then such activities would be saved in temp feed folder. So look for temp feed folder and find your activity in here. So I only have this bin file, and I don't really think that it was any kind of activity. So I'm gonna take my activity straight from activities folder. Let's pretend that this is my last activity, and now what we have to do is we have to copy it from here, and we're gonna have to save it somewhere safe, maybe in this folder. Okay, so we made a backup, and now we're gonna have to upload our activity to the Garmin Connect. To do so, in Garmin Express application, we're gonna have to select Garmin Connect, which will redirect us to the Garmin Connect website, and here we're gonna have to sign into our Garmin account. So since my email address and password were already entered, I'm only gonna have to enter the security code that came to my email. So let me just quickly enter it into this field. Then we can optionally remember this browser and click next. And now here we're gonna have to look for import data option. To do that, let's go to activities. Let's open all activities and let's select import. Now let's grab our backed up file and let's drop it here. Okay, now let's import data. And yeah, this file was already uploaded, so yeah, to show you what it should be looking like, let's delete this activity from here and let's import it once again. Okay, and as you can see, import is finished, and now we can see this import in our activities. And now all we have to do is basically just synchronize our Garmin Edge 540 with our smartphone, and the data will be then present both on your smartphone within the Garmin Connect application and on your Edge 540. So right now let's disconnect the Garmin. And yeah, basically what we have to do is just wait until the Garmin is connected to our smartphone. Now let's check the activities menu on our smartphone. As you can see, we already have this activity uploaded to our Garmin Connect. Now to synchronize, just tap the synchronize icon right here in the top right corner, and your ride will be restored on your Edge. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.